just a gong.
Alright. Not really good at speaking, but can you open it?
I open it.
Yeah. Well, please open it.
Wow. Did not expect this. What is I'm afraid it's carrot.
Look at the carrot.
So what does it look like? Validity, what I did was copy the page.
Goodness.
Wow. You drew it.
Oh, I painted it.
You painted it.
Goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Beautiful.
Oh, sorry.
I was given 2 weeks to do this painting, but the first week I was so busy with, everything, Christmas and everything. And so I started the painting on Monday, so it took me 6 days and many hours. And when I was painting it, my envision, I was thinking about the Lord and how holy the temple is. So that's why I wanted to make it white with a lot of white flowers. So it means, the painting means to never give up, because I worked on it so hard with all my love. And there was many times when I was thinking, what am I doing? But then I was thinking about you and the family and how much you love the Lord and the Word and all the people. And I was thinking, I have to do this. So through many, many prayers, Kelly, myself, on my knees to make this for the family.
Good to see you. Good to see you, Dad. Love you.
All the blades of leaves, grass, and every petal. It just reminds me of how amazing and powerful our Lord is.
Bless you.
I'm not going away, so don't make me like that.
How about this? How about you guys come up with that?
Stella.
Stella.
She's very artistic, like her mom, too.